In the captivating world of YouTube Shorts, there's a hidden formula to capture the viral spotlight. First impressions matter, so captivate your audience with an attention-grabbing title and thumbnail. Keep your content short, potent, and arresting right from the get-go. Stay on the pulse of trends, adding your unique flair to popular challenges and sounds. Consistency is key, so keep the content flowing. Engage with your viewers, fostering a community that loves to share your work. Optimize for the mobile experience where most shorts are consumed. Don't forget to cross-promote on social media, broadening your viewer base. Collaborate with other creators, tapping into their audience and vice versa. Remember to analyze your performance, adapting your strategy to what works best. And above all, be patient and persistent. Going viral isn't an overnight phenomenon. It's a blend of creativity, strategy, and consistency. With these steps in your toolkit, you're well on your way to viral YouTube Shorts success.